approximately. ada sikara boleh sikara. Ada 1 hour I don't know.
네, 이제 툭툭을 타고 이제 들리겠다.
Do they know where we are going? Do these people know where we are going?
No, I didn't talk anything. Can you explain where we go?
So we're taking a boat ride to.
Have to loud more. Because cannot.
We are taking a boat ride.
yeah, you can see.
No, it has to be a weird shot.
Okay.
I'm taking a boat ride to a local station. We still do not know what the name of the station is. We did have the option to take a private boat, but we are taking a government ferry. It's much cheaper and it's much more crowded. And we also need to buy some local liquor wine.
Try it? Okay.
Every time.
So, we've been told that there's a type of coconut alcohol where they ferment coconuts called toddy, and we're gonna find this toddy.
Okay, so let's go on a boat.
Let's go on a boat.
네, 이제 보트로 갑니다. 네, 보트를 가서 술 한잔 할 것 같아요. 보트로 갑시다.
Bootro kapsida.
So 15 minutes ago, a guy told me I look like an African. And I'm from India.
Okay, here.
Okay, if we go quick enough, we can grab one. If you could grab that.
That one is government boat.
Yeah. Where is this one going? Nadamudi. Sir, where is this one going? The other one.
Ayurvedi.
This one?
Nerumudi. Veranattukar Nerumudi.
Kottayam.
Kottayam 550.
Just get on to anyone. They are saying random names.
Yes, now we're on a boat. Let's go.
Put on your captain hats.
네, 정부에서 운영하는 보트라고 하는데 10루피밖에 안 해요. 그래서 정부에서 운영하는 보트라 그래서 좀 약간 클 줄 알았는데 좀 새롭긴 하네요.
We're going to ask this guy eventually where we should get down. He seems busy right now, but eventually we'll ask him. Can I get? Yes. Get down. What? What's the station name? Kailchira. Okay. Good quality toddy. You don't know? So he doesn't know.
Namaste. Apkasio? Where's the best place to get off to? Best stop. Anything.
Next station, what's name?
Eneri.
Anari. How long time? 1 hour. 1 hour.
Kainakari? Kainakari?
Kanakari.
Okay, we go Kainakari.
Yeah, going to the right place. That's the name.
That's the name. Kanakari before yesterday, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Good.
1시간 뒤에 이제 원래 우리가 가려고 했던 카나카리로 갑니다.
You can't zoom on GoPros now. You can't zoom.
Cannot.
Have to do this.
Yeah, I have to do this.
What do you think about your bike? Zooming. Learning how to zoom in GoPro.
Yeah.
This is how you zoom.
Zoom. Yeah, zoom like that. Yeah.
Guys wearing lipstick after 6 months. Not wearing it. When was the last time you wore lipstick?
I had it on New Year's Eve
So this is second time, right? After New Year's Eve.
and before on Christmas. So only for special days.
Nice.
Today's special day.
Today's a special day. We are going for toddy. That's the special occasion.
Dance.
Okay.
Dance.
Like this?
Okay. Something happened with this boat. All of us are getting down.
인도도 이제 지역마다 또 이게 특색이 있다고 하는데 여기 같은 경우에는 굉장히 깨끗한 편이라고 하더라고요. 제가 생각한 인도랑은 다르게 엄청 깔끔하고 깨끗합니다.
We will finish all your snacks till we arrive.
네, 보트를 보면은 이렇게 숙소처럼 이렇게 자기도 하고 한다고 하더라고요. 그래서 보면은 이제 호텔처럼 방도 있고 다 있다고 합니다. 굉장히 비싸겠죠? 카이나칼이라는 지역으로 이동할 것 같습니다. 거기에 뭐가 있는지 모르겠는데요. Did you try Jumin, right? 한번 가보겠습니다. 어딘진 모르겠지만 그래도 가보겠습니다. Wow, what is this?
Biljibop.
Oh, what like outside like that? Can I try?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. Like this? 이거 생각보다 힘이 많이 가네요. 불 빼는 거랍니다. Like, I'm doing well. Good. 난니. 생각보다 힘드네요 이거. I'm not going, bro.
Hello, boss. Do I go all the way up? Okay.
It's a little bit hard, right?
Yeah, it feels good.
Over there, something happened.
Oh,
What is it?
Now I find it. 저렇게 물을 빼는 건가 봐요, 이렇게 직접. 그래서 그냥 수동으로 이제 물을 빼는 것 같습니다. Oh, water is coming out. Good, good.
Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome. Thank you, boss.
It's a little bit tough, right?
Yeah. It really is beautiful here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
이제 카리나 커리에 도착했습니다.
Now we just need to find out where Toddy is.
It already smells like toddy.
Where it's blocked.
Honestly, good for you for doing the.
Just what I needed.
와우.
There's the next one.
Nani.
Hi, boss.
Bye, boss. Let's go buy some liquor.
Let's go check it out, buddy.
Check it out.
He said it's probably around 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer sounds walking.
Yeah.
But usually when they say it's 1 kilometer because they're very used to walking.
Yeah.
Are you getting the extra battery as well?
Yeah. Two more. Two more. Yeah. Sorry.
So, we hear from the north of India that there's an ancient legend in southern India about these coconuts that were left for too long. Yes, so there's ancient coconuts left on the beach, and some people, they were lost on their boats in the ocean, and they arrived on this beach, and they found these old coconuts there, and inside the coconuts was toddy. So what we're gonna do is we're not gonna get lost and arrive on a beach randomly, but we're taking a boat. Very civilized to go get some toddy made recently. We'll be documenting this toddy once we get it, and if only we could give virtual sips to all of you, because that would be very nice. We'll catch up when we catch some toddy down the road. This is where we're going. It's filled with puppies and kittens. Nice change of scenery from where we were earlier. Hi.
예, 이제 도티라는 인도 전통주를 지금 사러 가고 있습니다. 코코넛으로 만들었다고 하는데 그거 사서 이제 다시 또 보트 타고 구경 좀 할 것 같아요. 아, 그거 편한데요? 이렇게 다 같이 굉장히 다들 말을 잘 하네요. Can I ask where we can buy toddy? Dirty. Dirty? Yeah. Dirty? Ah, thank you. This place is dirty. Oh. Namaste.
Oh, then they have chai.
Okay, looks like they're drinking toddy.
Yeah, they are.
Namaste.
Namaste. Ani, dirty? Oh, everyone's drinking. Back there?
This is where you get drunk.
The look of this toddy makes me want to drink it.
Yes.
Looks like good coconut water.
Yeah. 코코넛 술집을 찾았습니다. 경치 죽이네요.
Much better view.
아, 그래도 시원하.
You also have the speaker.
But we can enjoy
It does, yes.
silence.
Yeah, no, I enjoy the look of that for sure.
Wow, that is dirty.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We've came a long way
Oh,
for this.
This is sweet.
Okay,
Hot.
let's feel a hot.
No hot?
Not so hot.
Ah, so
Spicy.
that means spicy, right?
Oh, pita.
Strong.
Ah,
This one? Let's try this.
So this is sweet. Some horse cum. Here you go. That's one load, 2 loads, and 3 loads. Does this make us run faster?
There was a
Yeah, we sip it.
I don't think
Cheers.
Cheers, everybody.
not bad.
oh, not bad.
It's like soda. I like it.
Oh,
It's fucking good. It tastes like champagne a little bit.
yeah, tastes like that. Our country have makgeolli.
Makgeolli.
Yeah, it's
Probably he
tastes
doesn't
really
know the
same.
words for.
Just
strong.
make from rice, but I think this is made from coconut.
Coconut, yeah.
It's very nice. 아, 이게 되게 탄산감도
I guess sweet
있고
for him.
코코넛 향이 나는데 약간 막걸리 같아요. 그냥 김 빠진 막걸리. 되게 막걸리랑 유사합니다. 근데 코코넛 향이 나는 막걸리예요. 맛있네요. This one is hard.
Try it and tell us if it's hot or hard or spicy.
Ah, okay.
Same?
No, not same, but no sweet. No feel soda at all. You're right. Just
What an adventure going 1 hour with a ferry to a random place.
for drinking coconut alcohol.
Not strong from alcohol, but from the taste.
I've had a few experiences with local alcohol up north. They do it with pumpkin. Tastes like normal, like limca, like Sprite. It doesn't hit you, then you suddenly like, hey, what's up, bro? Why
Off
you doing
pumpkins. Off pumpkins.
pumpkins?
Thank you.
Like a shake. How much do we need? 1 bottle is enough for me?
Oh,
2
two
bottles for
bottle.
1 person. Then you're drunk.
Hallucinogenic honey. Nani?
Nani?
It's this is actually very unique.
Unique,
What we let happen here. Not a story everybody can tell. This is so unique. I mean, we haven't been much in touch the last 6 years, but then suddenly, like everything, just okay, I'm coming.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm coming. Okay, he's coming. Like wow! Look at us! Look where we are! Look how handsome you are!
But nonetheless.
I don't know. He also uses and
He was in the army. Deepak, this one's for you.
Perfect.
Go for it!
Go for it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on.
Okay, I'm going back.
Okay, going back. 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah.
Back to land. I think we took care of it ourselves for the last 6 years.
Yes.
Pretty good. We were pretty good at it.
Yeah, your blessings are nice, for sure. I see you guys again.
Yeah.
For sure. It's not over. You haven't seen the last of me.
You're always in the right place right now. And if somebody mess around, give us a call.
Yeah.
I'll call you first. Oh, yes. Thank you. And if I left anything, burn it. So you have to make sure I actually have my passport. That's the one thing. Thank you for waiting, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, buddy.
See you again.
Just remember, I'll be leaving with some of your sweat on my shirt, so taking part of you with me. See you guys. Thank you. Yeah.
Take care.
We drive safe. Bye.
Namaste.
Going back.
Yeah, namaste, guys.
To the sunset.
I will after. You guys are better. See you.
Yeah.
See you.